Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon order status. This is incredibly useful when you're waiting for a package and want to know exactly where it is and when it'll arrive at your doorstep. Let's dive right in and walk through this together. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related features. From this menu, click on Orders. This section is your central hub for managing and tracking all your Amazon purchases. Now, although I don't have any active orders right now, I'm going to walk you through what you'll see when you do have orders in your account. This will give you a complete understanding of the process so you can easily check your order status whenever you need to. Once you're on the orders page, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. If you have many orders and need to find a specific one quickly, you can scroll through the list, or better yet, use the search bar located at the top of the page. The search bar allows you to type in keywords, product names, or even order numbers to locate exactly what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. After you've found the order you want to check, click on it. This will take you to a detailed order page where you can see comprehensive information about your purchase. Here you'll find the current status of your order, which could say things like shipped, out for delivery, delivered, or even processing if it hasn't shipped yet. You'll also see the estimated delivery date, which gives you a clear time frame for when to expect your package. If you want even more detailed tracking information, look for the Track Package button. Clicking this will provide you with carrier-specific details, including the shipping company handling your delivery and sometimes even a real-time map showing where your package is on its journey to you. This feature is particularly helpful when you're eagerly awaiting something important and want to know its exact location. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your Amazon order status and track your packages with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.